In this video, I will be reviewing Canopy versus Bark. So if you're looking at Canopy and Bark, you're comparing two parental control tools built to protect kids online, but they work in slightly different ways. Both go beyond simple screen time limits, focusing on monitoring online activity and alerting parents when something seems risky. So the real question is, which one gives you better coverages, easier management, and more meaningful alerts? So let's start with the similarities, and the first one that I have for you guys is online safety focus. Both Canopy and Bark are designed to keep children safe online. They monitor internet activity and alert parents to potential risks, including harmful websites, inappropriate content, and signs of cyberbullying. While the methods differ, the goal of helping parents maintain oversight and ensure children's online safety is shared by both platforms. Next, we have multi-device support. Both platforms support multiple devices, including Android and iOS, smartphones, and tablets. This means parents can manage phones, tablets, and some laptops under a single dashboard. Having multi-device support ensures you can maintain consistent safety rules across the devices your children use most. Lastly, we have parent dashboard and alerts. Canopy and Bark both provide parents with a central dashboard where you can view reports, set rules, and receive notifications. Real-time alerts or summary reports allow you to take action when needed, giving parents control without having to constantly check the child's device. Now, let's move on to the differences, and the first one that we have is their monitoring depth. Bark uses AI-driven monitoring to scan messages, emails, and social media posts for potential risks. It detects concerning behavior and sends alerts only when something requires attention, which reduces unnecessary interruptions. Canopy, by contrast, focuses on proactive web filtering and safe browsing. It blocks harmful content upfront and emphasizes prevention rather than alerting after the fact. Next, we have ease of use. Canopy is known for its simple setup and intuitive interface. Parents can get started quickly without linking multiple accounts or managing complex permissions. Bark requires slightly more setup because it needs access to various apps and accounts to monitor content, making it more involved but providing deeper insight once configured. Lastly, we have their pricing model. So Bark offers a family subscription that covers unlimited children, which can be cost effective for larger families. Canopy is usually priced per child or per device, which can be higher for multiple children but comes with simplicity and strong web filtering built in. The choice here often comes down to whether you value broad monitoring for multiple children or straightforward proactive control for each child individually. So if your priority is AI-driven monitoring that covers social media, message, and online behavior with actionable alerts, Bark is the stronger choice. If you prefer a proactive approach with safe browsing, simple setup, and clear parental controls, Canopy is likely the better fit for you. Both tools are effective, but the best option depends on whether you value reactive intelligence or proactive prevention. So that will be it for this video. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.